a good day. I'm gonna live my life like every day's the last, without a simple goodbye. It all goes by so fast, and now that you're gone, I can't cry hard enough. No, I can't cry hard enough for you to hear me now. Gonna open my eyes and see for the first time. I let go of you like I tried letting go of his sky. There it goes, up in the sky. There it goes, beyond the clouds, for no reason why. I can't cry hard enough. No, I can't cry hard enough for you to hear me now. Gonna open in vain and see you standing there. Kasabali ko na may balikas ka. What all that remains is an empty chair. And now that you're gone, I can't cry hard enough. No, I can't cry hard enough for you to hear me now. There it goes, up in the sky. There it goes, beyond the clouds, for no reason why. I can't cry hard enough. No, I can't cry hard enough for you to hear me
Bakal daw pare kablawak man ni pakol nga gay IMJ posting na kini alutit nga nakapigket jay dayon kastamot kin baway guaya katwak tangan naka-duty ti nagkablaw security guard banyes pero kasi man jay don't say goodbye.
Kabumasa kapigor kita kita mga pangablaw sagbay nga kansyonam dito nga Sonata Balong. And once again our heartfelt thanks apo kada kita timulong iti panagsasarak panagraragsak 2017 nga naangay apo sa Jaya Villa Carmen Ramon. It was a very successful mission apo, dental mission, optical mission, and free haircut. Ayan, once again dagiti do Dr. Apo nga may timapuno nga nang iti libre apo nga serbisyo da. We have Dr. Monique Visaya of Visaya Optical Clinic, Dr. Derek Vizcara of Vizcara Dental Clinic Ramon Isabel, and of course Dr. Ildefonso Domingo. Kan kastamo kita kakapintas apo nga beauticians ti Jaya Ramon, headed by Miss Rica Mambo. Rica Valdez ko na sa DJ. Richard tinaga na. Richard Valdez. Kan sino pwede iti nag-title iti Miss FDD International Universal. Maureen Tan. Good afternoon kada kayo taapo. Kat nakita doon pa nga pangablaw. Nandayan nagkibos ti programa Tabalong. Kita malang nagbiit. Kakura na to'y, wala bang panghuhula manong June, DJ Sean?
Kapo talaga ng DJ Sean ka. At DJ Com na
meron kang konting, basit lang mo, Didi, ayaw, talent film mo nung ikaw ang nag-relieve sa FDD last Sunday. Thank you very much. Di pa ng bantay mo. Katag ito'y followers FDD. Kat, sige man, mangtad ta mga road iti may isang hadat-atlag nga sunata. Kat iti mabalin lang apong mugto. Katag iti DJ iti Sweet Radio nagsam eat. Ayan, adamat ti technician toy. Isi namang kita apo no.
Ito yung number da dyan
legit mala iti number nga agparang dito official text line tayo. Kat no isuta ti apo mga pugto 200 pesos apo nga load. Nga may ti pugtuan dagat English. Inunaan lang, okay? O pwede nyo nang testingin mga DJs kung pumapasok ba ang inyong mga text message sa ating official text line. Kita man o da sumbra ditan.
Mission pala.
Ay, tagi-isa siya. Sana mahulaan niya. Ikantan sa tinarikat. Ano ko
1960s.
60s. Pero, dangatati ko may nakikinig ba?
Diyan mo, kasi na lang mo. Sabi nga please accept my text mo libre ko kung na namatin
Suno, tangatang. Baamon, awanti pang text na dayta. Dagay titadapa nga pumugto. Basit ababalangin na pong orasan. Dahil nga ron ti papugtuan ta. Very simple song.
Onam.
Hindi binanggit.
Ngam nakalala ka.
Analakalaang okay. Ayaw mo nito, gusto mo mahirap siya. Agur ka. Dating roti, papugtuan ta nga sunata.
Wala ka yan.
Dating roti na po, iti papugtuan mi nga sunata. Kat, once again, kung sino ban po ang mga DJ na nakikinig ngayon, ayan.
Ano, DJ Sam.
DJ Sam and DJ Hans, pwede niyong hulaan ito. Text lang kayo over our official text line at baka kayo na po ang mananalo. Once again, DJ Hans and DJ Sam, kasama kayo sa game na to together with DJ Sean na nag-aabang. At ang awitin ay narito na po. Hulaan nyo na. For 200 peso cash or load. Yon ang introduction niya. Alam na siguro ninyo yon. Eto na. Words and music makes a song for a heart to sing along, like a choir within the air. There'll be music everywhere.
Madami namang ganon.
I beg a tear across your cheek. A smile from you is all I need.
Magre-result sa internet yan si DJ Hans.
We'll give them cause to breathe the air. There'll be lovers everywhere. Be your singer and your song for all the love you brought along. I'll be your day, I'll be your night. I'll see that everything's alright. I'll turn the ocean into sand, like my heart is your command. I'll make the raindrops turn to snow, and let everyone will know that there is love.
Kambing me, hehehehe. DJ Sean, nagrigat muna ka, no?
And when the morning brings us light, Mr. Moonlight says goodbye. My hand is shaking when you smile.
Wala namang text eh.
You make me feel just like a child.
Camping man.
I made a searching for the way,
so that you won't have to say. Camping man.
You've gotta go and can't come back, but I can think you make me sad. I'll be your singer and your song for all the love you brought along. I'll be your day, I'll be your night. I'll see that everything's alright. I'll turn the ocean into sand, like my heart is your command. I'll make the raindrops turn to snow, and let everyone will know that there is love. I'll be your singer and your song for all the love you brought along. I'll be your day, I'll be your night. I'll see that everything's alright. I'll turn the ocean into sand, like my heart is your command. I'll make the raindrop turn to snow, and let everyone will know that there is love. Yes, I'll be a singer and your song for all the love you brought along. I'll be your day, I'll be your night. I'll see that everything's alright. I'll turn the ocean into sand, like my heart is your command. I'll make the raindrop turn to snow, and let everyone will know that there is love.
Ano pa na kukumon?
Nagpayangarot, awan din nakapugto.
Da.
Oh my God, ayos ka ba, babe? Sino nakapugto? Siguro katakitan ta. I-verify ta. Okay, tinatawagan po ang ating DTI representative.
Si DJ Sam, sabi niya, I'll be your everything. Maling-mali, DJ Sam.
Yes, maling-mali, DJ Sam. Kahit isang letra, walang tumama. Pero, tinan natin, sino yung nakahuli?
Yun,
Actually, ang kumante noon, it's Andy Gibb by the Bee Gees. I'll be your everything, kung na naman.
Sandali. Penapukaw mo tan. Yan ha?
Words and Music by DJ Hans. Okay? He got it. The 200 pesos.
Hindi. Siya.
Yes. Okay. Words and... DJ Hans, come here. Come over here.
Sing in your song. Siguro dahil tama si DJ Sean.
Wow, DJ Sean. Buti na lang may talent fee ka last week. Kung hindi mo, wala kang makuha.
Let everyone will know that there is love. DJ Sam.
Ang haba, dapat yung buo na lang na chorus ang itinaype mo dyan. Paano mo nalaman yung title ng song?
Actually, Kuya Jun talaga. Actually, Kuya Jun, pinapatugtog yan ng tatay ko. Oo. Ang tatlo lang ang hula ko eh. I'll be your singer and your song. I'll be your day and your night. Tapos yung words and music. Kasi pinapatugtog din DJ Lee sa Sunday Memory Lane.
Yes.
6 to 9 a.m.
The title actually is Words and Music.
Words and Music.
Words and Music.
I got it, baby.
Congratulations, DJ Hans. At susunod na po ang kanilang program entitled
Top 20 Countdown.
At yan, apo na sakit itinagami apo ngam na adan at sumang bayan na puti oras inte pa nagsisina. Kat uri pagbatit apo, pagyamanan mi ti apa ng tarabayo kada kami tila sa talong nga oras. Kat ada kami tumanin na po next week. Iti kastimalang nga oras alas 12 nga alas 13 malam. Kada iti pagaya may manong Jun Seriales.
Ken ka na kanyong John Mark Pastor.
Kung kuna po, agis isukatap na pumulaw kam. Anmanan, ada kami tumanin next week. Dito lang nga po 97.7 Sweet Radio, Santiago City.
Nagsam
Station.
Hindi ka pa ba nakasweet? Mag-switch na!